Learn examples ọmụmaatụ of subordinating conjunction. Subordinating conjunction in Igbo simply means njikọ nne na nwa. Njikọ nne na nwa. Remember, subordinating conjunction is the second type of conjunction in Igbo. It has 9 classes. It has 9 classes. Let's see the classes. Class number 1 is comparison. Comparison. Number 2, time. Number 3, conception. Number 4, relative pronoun. 5, reason. 6, condition. 7, place. 8, relative adjective. And 9, manner. Let's see them in English. Comparison. It uses than. It is a kind of conjunction that uses than. When you want to compare between two things, which one is better or which one is faster or smaller, you use than. Than in Igbo means carrier, carrier, than, carrier. Another class, time. Time, you use until in conjunction. Until. Until means rue mgbe, rue mgbe. Another one, concession. When you are considering something, you use odo, odo. Odo in Igbo means n'agbanyeghị, na-agbanyeghị. Remember, at times we remove ne and use agbanyeghị, agbanyeghị. When you are speaking faster, you say agbanyeghị. If you say n'agbanyeghị or agbanyeghị, is the same thing. Relative pronoun. Under it, under conjunction, you use whoever, whoever. Whoever in Igbo means onye ọbụla, onye ọbụla. Remember, onye ọbụla, it is kọ igbe izugbe, ọbụla, ọbụla. But in some dialects in Igbo, they use ọbụna, onye ọbụla. By removing this L and put N, it becomes onye ọbụla. Like Anambra people, they say onye ọbụla. If you say onye ọbụla or onye ọbụla, just the same thing. They are all good. Reason. Under class of reasoning, you have conjunction because. Because. This because in Igbo, it means n'ihi, n'ihi, n'ihi. Because means n'ihi in Igbo. Condition. Under condition, under the class, you have it as if in English. If. If means ọbụrụ, ọbụrụ, ọbụrụ na. You can say ọbụrụ na or ọbụrụ, just the same thing. Another one is place. Place is wherever, wherever, wherever. It means ebe ọbụla, ebe ọbụla. Remember we said that ebe ọbụla is good or ebe ọbụla, just the same thing. If you remove this L and put N, becomes ebe ọbụla, the same thing. Relative adjective. We use it as a conjunction, that is whichever, whichever. Whichever means nke ọbụla, nke ọbụla, nke ọbụla. Another one is manner. Manner, that is the last class. Manner. Manner, we use it as a conjunction as if. As if. As if means ka ga-asị, ka ga-asị. As if means ka ga-asị in Igbo. Remember, we are going to use them one after another in sentence making. Like and share our videos. Subscribe to our channel. Follow us for more. Bye.